first off, you're going to want to start by putting in about 3/4 of a cup of any flour of your choosing. I'm going to put that in the bowl. Do another little 1/4 cup. Then you're going to want to put in 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric. And then just about 1/4 of a tablespoon of some salt for flavor. Then some masala spice, about 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to want about 1/2 cup of almond milk or any milk alternative of your choosing. And then you're going to want to put in about 1/4 of a cup of water. You're going to want to mix that all together. Just mix it all in. Yeah, it's starting to get that consistency going. It'll end up looking better. But it should look a little bit more like this. You got that nice brown kind of sludgy look to it, so you can use it as your breading for your cauliflower. Then you're going to want to get your head of cauliflower and slice it up into pieces and just slice off the ends and the florals. And yeah, I just like to cut out the center. I find it to be the easiest to go from the center and cut around it. Then you want to preheat your oven to 230 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit, depending on where you live. I'm going to dip my cauliflowers in the goop. Put that all in there. Then add my curry paste. Red curry paste, we want about 1/4 of a cup. And then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to mix in for your sauce. And another tablespoon of coconut oil. And about 2 tablespoons of water. And I do about 2 tablespoons of any sweetener of your choosing. And then once it's blended together, it'll look like this. Alright, now that your cauliflowers are done baking, you can start drenching your cauliflower fulls in the sauce. And then, yeah, it'll end up looking a little bit like this. Alright, I'm going to do a taste test. Absolutely delicious. Has that crunch and a really nice chewy flavor with the seasonings and everything. It's just amazing.